In the heart of our galaxy, something stirs. A place where light bends, where time slows, where nothing, no star, no planet, not even light itself, can escape. At the center of the Milky Way lies a monster, a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A, silent, invisible, but immensely powerful. For 20 years, astronomers watched a lone star dance around this cosmic giant. A star much like our sun, yet braver, bolder, for it circles death itself. Each orbit, it sweeps closer and closer, pulled by the irresistible grip of gravity. And now, it is near enough for something extraordinary to happen. Gravitational redshift, a phenomenon where the very light of the star begins to stretch and fade, robbed of energy as it struggles to climb out of the black hole's invisible well. Its brilliant white glow shifts toward red, like a candle burning through a veil of smoke. The star is not destroyed, not yet, but its light carries a mark of the monster it orbits. A cosmic scar, a warning of what lies within the abyss. Imagine standing there, watching that star. You see it race, faster than any object you've ever witnessed. Space itself bends, time ticks differently, and the universe feels alive. Terrifying yet breathtaking. For in this dance, we glimpse the true power of gravity. And yet, this is only one story of the cosmos. For while a star may risk death by circling a black hole, elsewhere, worlds find companions of their own. Across our solar system, planets are not alone. They are surrounded by moons. 176 confirmed moons, each a story, each a survivor, each a child of a planet. Some of them so large, they rival Mercury itself. But not all planets are blessed with company. Mercury, scorched by the sun, and Venus, wrapped in poisonous clouds, wander the heavens alone. No moons, no companions, only silence. Yet beyond them, the solar system comes alive with dancers, worlds upon worlds orbiting giants. From the smallest capture rock to the grandest moon larger than planets, they are here to tell us something. Together, with the tail of the star orbiting death, they remind us of one truth. The universe is not still. It is a stage where every star, every moon, every black hole plays its part. Begin with Mercury, the first planet, small, scorched, racing around the sun in a mere 88 days. No moon follows it. None could. The sun's pull is too fierce, too overpowering. Any companion would have been torn away long ago. So Mercury spins alone, battered, silent, a solitary traveler. Venus, our Earth's twin in size, but opposite in soul. Its surface is hell, burning hot enough to melt lead. Its air thick with poisonous gases. Its clouds laced with acid. And like Mercury, Venus has no moons. Did it once? Perhaps. But if so, they are gone, lost to collisions, stolen by gravity, consumed by the sun's hunger. Venus too wanders the cosmos alone. Mars, however, is different. The Red Warrior has two tiny companions, Phobos and Deimos. They are not elegant, not round, not grand. They are misshapen rocks, captured asteroid perhaps, pulled from the asteroid belt long ago. Yet they tell a dramatic story. Phobos, the larger of the two, is doomed. Every year it spirals closer, dragged by Mars' gravity. One day, 50 million years from now, it will be ripped apart. Torn into fragments, it may form a dazzling ring around Mars, a crown of destruction. Deimos, smaller and farther away, escapes this fate, drifting quietly, almost unnoticed. And as we think of these small, fragile moons, let us return to the star near the black hole. For it too is like Phobos, drawn closer, pulled tighter, each orbit more dangerous. It is not yet destroyed, but the end is written in gravity's script. One day, it too may cross the invisible horizon, torn apart, stretched into ribbons of light and matter, devoured by the black hole. Loneliness, doomed survival, these themes echo across the universe. From Mercury and Venus with no moons, to Mars' doomed Phobos, to a star circling death itself. The cosmos writes tragedies, yet it also writes epics of survival. For beyond Mars lies grandeur beyond imagination. Jupiter, the king of planets. A world so vast, it could swallow all others and still hunger for more. And around it, a kingdom of moons, over 90 known companions. Some small, some enormous, some violent, some serene. Together, they form a miniature solar system within our own. First, Io, a world of fire, scarred by 1,000 volcanoes. It is the most volcanic place in the entire solar system. Imagine standing on its surface. Lava fountains erupt into the sky. Mountains taller than Everest cast shadows across sulfur plains. Io screams with activity. Torn apart by Jupiter's tidal pull, its very bones stretched and heated until it boils from within. Then Europa, the ocean world. Its icy crust gleams like cracked glass, hiding a vast ocean beneath. More water than all of Earth's oceans combined, sealed away in darkness. Could something swim there? Could alien life thrive beneath its frozen skin? Europa whispers secrets of possibility, its surface etched with scars of a restless sea below. Ganymede, the king of moons, larger than Mercury, with its own magnetic field. A moon so immense it could have been a planet, yet it circles Jupiter loyally, a titan among companions. And Callisto, the ancient one, scarred by 4 billion years of impacts, its surface a graveyard craters, a library of the solar system's violent past. But Jupiter's story does not end there. Beyond its 4 great moons lie dozens more, tiny shepherds' guiding rings, captured asteroids locked in eternal dance. Jupiter is not a planet, it is an empire, a kingdom of worlds, each telling a story of chaos, survival, and beauty. And as Jupiter holds its moons, the black hole at the galaxy's center holds its star. Both are rulers, one of a planetary family, the other of a cosmic graveyard. Both remind us that gravity binds, commands, and rules all. If Jupiter is a king, then Saturn is the artist. Its rings are the most beautiful spectacle in the solar system, billions of icy particles forming a glowing crown around a golden world. And just like Jupiter, Saturn has moons. Many moons, more than 80. Triton the giant, larger than Mercury. Cloaked in orange haze, it holds rivers and lakes, not water, but of liquid methane and ethane. Imagine standing on Titan's surface. The sky glows golden, methane rain drips from clouds, and lakes spread like mirrors across the frozen land. It is the only moon in the solar system with stable liquid on its surface. Could Titan host life? Not as we know it, but perhaps something strange, alien, waiting beneath its clouds. Then Enceladus, a small, shining pearl. Tiny, yes, but mighty. From its surface, geysers erupt, spewing water and organic material into space. Cassini, the spacecraft that once orbited Saturn, flew through those plumes and found ingredients for life. Could Enceladus, hidden beneath ice, be alive? The thought shakes the imagination. Iapetus, a yin-yang world, half dark as coal, half bright as snow. Mimas, scarred with a massive crater, looking eerily like the Death Star. Dozens of others orbit quietly, shepherding Saturn's rings, adding to its masterpiece. Saturn is not just a planet. It is a symphony, a cosmic artwork where rings shine, moons dance, and mysteries unfold. And like the star dancing near the black hole, Saturn's moons remind us of beauty and danger, of light within darkness. Farther still, the solar system grows quiet. Uranus, the sideways planet, rolls along its orbit, its tilt so extreme it seems almost broken. Around it, 27 known moons, Miranda, scarred and fractured like a shattered puzzle, Ariel, carved by valleys and cliffs, Titania and Oberon, frozen giants waiting in the cold. Neptune, the deep blue world, whirls with storms greater than Earth itself. Around it circles Triton, one of the most mysterious moons of all. Triton orbits backward. Against Neptune's spin, a captured wanderer from the Kuiper Belt. And Triton is alive. Geysers of nitrogen erupt from its frozen surface, painting plumes into space. Beneath its ice may lie another hidden ocean. Even at the edge of the solar system, moons whisper of life. Beyond Neptune, the dwarf planets hold companions too. Pluto and Charon dance together, almost equals, orbiting like partners in a waltz. Nix, Hydra, Styx, and Kerberos join them, small and irregular, chaotic in their spin. Even tiny asteroids sometimes clutch moons, proving that companionship is universal. And yet, as we wander so far, let's not forget the star near the black hole. For while these moons spin in icy silence, that star races in fiery peril. It is a reminder that across the universe, stories unfold, some of creation, some of survival, some of destruction. What do these stories mean for us? For humanity? For our place in the cosmos? They tell us that the universe is not empty. It is alive with companions, with dancers, with voices. The moon guides Earth. Europa hides oceans. Triton glows with methane seas. Enceladus spews geysers of life's building blocks. Triton whispers from the edge of darkness. And at the heart of our galaxy, a star circles death itself, showing us the raw, terrifying beauty of gravity. One day, humans may walk on these moons. We may build outposts on Phobos, sail Titan seas, drill into Europa's ice, fly through Enceladus plumes, explore Triton's frozen plains. And we may watch from safe distance as a star vanishes into a black hole, witnessing the greatest act of destruction the cosmos can stage. Moons, stars, black holes, they're not just science. They are stories. Stories of survival, of tragedy, of beauty, of possibility. The children of the planets, the dancers of the cosmos, the voices of the universe. So when you look up at the night sky, remember this. You are not just seeing stars. You are seeing stories unfolding across billions of years. Stories of moons without planets, of stars without safety, of black holes without mercy. And maybe, just maybe, among those stories lies our future.